Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Probability. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. So guys, as per the given question, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an S, not be an S. Okay guys, here some two things to remember is like it is a well shuffled card. Well shuffled card means whatever the card you draw, the probability will be same throughout. And the second is like it's a deck of 52 cards. These are the two things that you need to understand from this question. Now let us move ahead and see what exactly, how exactly we can find out that the probability will be an S and the probability will not be an S. Okay. So guys, we very well know that there are altogether total number of cards in a deck is 52. Total number of cards is 52. This is one thing that you should understand. Now the second part is like we very well know that there are altogether 4 types of cards. There are altogether 4 types of cards. One is spades. This is equal to 13 numbers. Diamonds, this is equal to again 13 numbers. Spades, diamonds, hearts, that is equal to again 13 numbers, and clubs, that is equal to 13 numbers. So all these all together they form 52 numbers. This is what. Now we are going to pull out we are going to draw or pull out spade. We are going to pull out the S. So what, like if probability that the card will be on S, what is the probability? So guys, if you look here, we will get 1 S from spades, 1 S from diamonds, 1 S from hearts, and 1 S from clubs. So there are together we will get 4 types of chances that there are 4 S's, and the chances are 4. Now guys, let us first of all understand what is the formula for probability. Formula for occurrence of an event, probability for occurrence of an event is given by number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So guys, look at the formula here. Now number of favorable outcomes, here number of favorable outcomes means here the chances of getting an S is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can write number of S's here upon total number of cards. Now this will be very simple. Total number cards. Okay. So now I can write probability of events, or that is equal to, I also can write probability of getting an S is equal to number of S's, that is 4, upon total number of cards 52. That is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 13s are 52. So guys, this is our first part of the question, or this is the answer for the first part of the question. So we got the probability of getting an S as 1 by 13. Now let us move ahead to the second part of the question. Now before moving on to the second part of the question, let me make it very clear that, or we should remember, like this is one another formula, like probability of occurrence of an event plus probability of non-occurrence. Probability of occurrence plus probability of non-occurrence is equal to 1. This is always true. So we should remember this one. Don't forget to remember this one. So we can always, we should remember that probability of occurrence plus probability of non-occurrence is equal to 1. Now guys, we got the probability of getting an S is equal to 1 by 13. That means probability of occurrence here is 1 by 13. And next we have probability of non-occurrence. That means probability of non getting an S. I can write probability of non getting S is equal to 1, or I can write probability of not getting us, not getting, so this one will be T, not getting us or S is equal to 1 minus 1 by 13. That is equal to 13 minus 1 by 13. That is equal to 12 by 13. This is another part of our answer. So guys, you could see that probability of getting an S is equal to 1 by 13. Probability of not getting an S is equal to 12 by 13. This is what we got, or this is what our answer is. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process. This is very simple and very clear and straightforward. But still, if you have any doubts or questions, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.